Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Engineer Geoffrey, and here we aim to solve real-life problem in a specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timeable manner. So today I want to show you complete beam detailing in Archicad. We are going to generate uh, the details from RCDC Connect Edition, and I'm going to show you how you can completely detail your beam, not only the cross section, uh, but also you can also detail the longitudinal sections in Archicad. And I think Archicad and AutoCAD are very similar, so you can just follow me if you're using AutoCAD. But I usually advise my viewers, if possible, you should go for Archicad instead of AutoCAD so that you can be able to work smart. Remember, that is the main objective of my YouTube channel. So I'm going to generate this drawing from RCDC, and remember, after you generate the drawing from RCDC, the drawings are not complete yet, so you have to do a lot of editing either in AutoCAD or Archicad, and that is what I'm about to show you how exactly you can go about it. So let's begin. So I'll go to reports and I will go to elevations, and so first I need to draw the I need to draw this layout. This is the just the layout, so I need to save this one. I will save it as a DXF file. So I will open a new tab in AutoCAD in desktop. So I will go to new folder. Then I will save it as a beam detailing. So okay, yeah. So I'll open it and save it this as layout. So you need to save the layout, save it, and then now we're going to go to reports, elevations and sections. So I want elevations and cross section. So most people, when you are detailing the beam layout, you usually detail the cross section, but for some of the employers, they will need the longitudinal section. So that's why I'm creating this video so that we can do now complete beam detailing in Archicad. So I will select all of them. I'm selecting elevation and cross section, then okay. So I will first save this, and then I can now save this one in my new folder. So I save this one as beam details. Save. So now let's open Archicad. So I think I have saved both of them. So I just need to open Archicad, and then so open new one. close. I need to go to toolbar. So I needed to activate this one. So let me remove it first. So we need to go to Windows, then toolbar, then activate attributes. So this one is the one I need. Maybe drag it here. So I need to create a wall. So I need to change it. I'll name this. I can create a new one. So I can just new. So new building material. I'll name it as my river. So I'll put it AS, but I want it to be where I can see it first. So new, okay. I'll change this one to foreground. Then I change this one to brick natural white. So we cancel first. So this one should be at foreground. Yeah, okay. Then I will activate my wall tool. Then I need to change this one to the first option, this one. So I can now go here, change this one to river. Then I can now edit my wall. Yeah. So I want to change this one to brick natural white. Then so it's okay for that transparency. Okay. So I will now draw. So I will change it to thickness to about the size of my bar, about maybe 12. Okay. Because my bars are 12 and these drawings are to scale. So just drag it up there. Drag it up there. Maybe I can delete this. Do it properly. So these are the cross section. So this one I can change maybe to be outside or inner face, so it's okay, no problem. Or maybe center, just whichever the way you like. Then I will now go to my fill tool, then just click somewhere, then change, put this arc by center. So maybe I can just click somewhere at this circle, then arc center, then up to there, and then so I need to change the fill to black. So this one also to black, and this one to foreground. So let's do it again. So I'll activate my fill. Okay, so now just click somewhere at the tangent of this circle, then select option arc by center, then just up there. So those are my longitudinal bars. So maybe select, move, drag multiple copies. So I'll be dragging by maybe the center. So you just need to touch the tangent, and then you see the center, then I can just drag it. So you can't do the center because yeah. I activate my wall tool and change this one to curve, then no problem. So if you touch the tangent to this, you see the center is there. Then so I can change this one to be outside, outer face. Then just drag it up there and then up there. So just touch the tangent, then you see the center of that circle, that arc, touch it, then from here just drag it to there. Do the same thing from here, just from there. I need the outer face, just drag it up to there, and do the same thing from here, just the center, just drag it up there. So I will do the same thing to the rest, so I can pause and do the same thing. At least I've shown you how. So I'm doing the same thing. Yeah, just select the center, that point up there. Then I will activate my fill tool, just the tangent of this circle, just select it and then change arc by center, rotate it that point, and just copy the entire the rest. So move, drag multiple copies, just that the tangent, show the center, copy from the center, do the same thing. The center. So the last one will be this one. So I activate my wall tool, then that point. So go back to the first option, straight. Then from here, Then select the second option, that is geometry curved. Just select any tangent, then see the center of that arc. Then just from this point there. The good thing about Archicad is that you can work fast, and therefore you achieve your objective of hitting your time target. Therefore, you'll be able to find at the end of the day you're working smart. Because uh, working working smart is like the opposite of working hard. So I can do the same thing for this longitudinal. Just select. So I will just do the same thing. I can just when I come to this point, I just select curved. When I see the center is here, and I come, I drag to that point, drag that point. Same thing, go back to straight line from here. So I can pause and do the same thing, right? So after that, you can see what I've just accomplished. All you need to do is to now carry this and copy. So this one was bin. This one was bin YY. This one was bin X. So let me just copy. So copy this, move, drag multiple copies from there. Then I can just put it here and then edit. So maybe I can reduce the size of these ones to maybe about 1.5. Hope they will still be visible. Yeah, they are visible. Then I can just select, hold my shift, select all of them. Then just uncheck this textile underline. Then this one is now beam X. So you can see X at section AA. This one is beam X. Beam X. So this one was beam 5. If I check from here, beam 5 is this one. So this one was beam 5. So this one is for my staircase. So I can just add another grid line. BB. So B. So I can just do the longitudinal. Move, drag, copy. Delete this one. Then I'll copy this one, move, drag, copy. This one now is the Y section B. Then I can go ahead and change the thickness of my ribbons. So after that, so I will label now this one Y. Move, drag a code and place it here. And I think also this one is, so just edit here to be Y, and I think this one is also beam white. So I move, drag a copy. This one I think this one is also beam P. So if I go, this one is beam 31 and beam 27 and beam 24. So let me check. Beam 31 is still beam P because you can see just off. So if I go to beam 24, 27 is still beam P, then 24 is still beam P. So I just drag this. Maybe I can just select because I want them to be appear properly to, so I can just bolded this. Okay, so they have to be bold. So now this one, all these will be P. This beam 27, right? So if beam 27 is beam P, so just select here, move, drag multiple copies, place it here, place it there, and there. Maybe I can change the orientation to be 90 degrees. The rotation to be 90. Then I can just drag it to the correct position. Then guys, we just need to do the same to all the other beams. Then move, drag a copy. Maybe I will delete this one because just I didn't need to drag. I just need to drag it. So move by dragging. So I'll drag it. Here, so this one I'll also drag it somewhere there. And views, I can drag them. So you need to do the same to the rest of the move, drag. Move, drag. Then after you've done editing all of these, so most of them will be maybe Y, P, or X. So we just maybe copy, but it depends. If I check these, maybe this beam here and this one, let me check. Is the label is beam 29 and beam 25, and maybe beam 16. Let me check. So let's start with beam 16. So beam 12, beam 13, beam 14, beam 16. Beam 16 is still beam P. So I can just come and copy this. Using the orientation is 0. So I can just copy this, move, drag a copy from here to here. Then let's say beam, you are beam 29 and beam maybe 21. So start with 21. Beam 21 is beam. So let's go to 29. Let's see 29 because that is different. We need to create a new one. So this one is still beam P. So for 29, I can just copy, move, drag, or copy here. Or maybe I can drag these ones, move, drag, or copy there, there. So you just need to repeat the same process to the remaining. If they are similar, we just copy. If they are different, we just create the cross section and the longitudinal, and you can see maybe they have different course, but the longitudinal will show. So you just need maybe to leave. So the cross section you just need to show the wingspan, and for the longitudinal, so this longitudinal will direct the one the format. So I will just maybe add a polyline rectangular around here. Maybe you can add your details. So I can change this polyline to solid line. Maybe I can use the same layer as my wall tool. So maybe just like that, make it bigger. So change this to straight line, the first option, and change this one to maybe 36. You can create a table here where you can add your details, maybe the company name, the client, the project, and such stuff, and maybe just do them around here. And I have already created a video on that. So I'll change this line. So you can create a layer where you can add the rest of the details, where you indicate your company, the project name, the client, the number of divisions, and other details here, the nodes. If you have any nodes, you can just start with the nodes here. Maybe all the drawings are in millimeters, unless otherwise stated. All the details, or the class of concrete is class 25 or class 20, the ratio and such stuff, the notes here. Then you go to the number of divisions down. Then you go to the project name, the client, and the company, and the one who drawn by, the checked by, and such stuff. Then you can just come add a marquee area, and then you can print this PDF. So save as. I change this to PDF. Open. I change this one to A1 based on drawing. If you need A4 is okay. So A1 size. Then can come to marquee area, fit to paper, color is okay. So okay. Then you can save as beam layout. But normally we usually do the beam layout together with the slab layout. But I need to create this video because I need to show how we do the longitudinal detail. So not just the cross section. So beam layout. But normally based on the standard, you just combine the beam and the slab layout as one drawing. So you save this as a PDF now. So you can just see, what you have just created. You can clearly see the details, the beam type. You don't need to strain. You can see the cross section, the longitudinal, all the details. So thanks guys. Uh, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will keep updating you, and we can be able to help each other to grow in this field as structural engineers who want to work smart rather than hard to achieve our objective in a faster and also a more effective and efficient manner. So thanks. See you in another video.